And I made it to a little spot right here that I want to show. Hold on, let me get my seatbelt off. What? Not too much traffic come through here. Let me see. Let's see what's up. Not too many cars come out here though. Let me see. Oh, let's see what's up with this thing. Oh hell no! Look at this walk. Let me put my shit on here. So you think it's broken? Oh fuck! Look at that motherfucker. Damn. I know they could be walking around that other side though. There's a little path you could walk though. Look at that little path right there. Take this little path right here and cut right here. Damn. I don't think you're supposed to be walking in the grass though. But bruh, this is a nice little peaceful. I forgot my wallet too. I ain't got no license. I'm fucked if I get pulled over. Hell yeah. It's a little vibe out here. It's a little vibe out here. Oh God. If I had a dog, that would be lit, but I ain't got no dog, so my ass tripping. If I was to get a dog, I think I'll probably take for what? Around there somewhere? Put in there, isn't it? Nice little walkway. I don't know if I can walk in the grass though. I'll be walking in the grass though. Oh God. Nice little vibe right here. I don't know which route I should take though. I don't know if I take that route right there or come out that way. No. I think about it. I don't know what route I should go. But for right now, I think I'll take that route down there. For real, then come on around. For real. Let me walk in the grass a little bit. Hold on, I'll put my feet in the grass. Be connected to earth. Hell yeah. Hell no. Nigga looking like what the fuck this black nigga doing with a camera. Hell no. Nigga, I think there's a canyon right there. I'm not too sure, but I think there is a canyon right there. Or like a little pond or like a river right there. I'm not too sure, but yeah. Yeah, we'll get it. Let me see. Hold on. How to cross. Let me see if I can get it. Oh no, mine ain't no damn canyon. Some damn trash. Looting for real, huh? Let me get back to the sidewalk. Yeah, this is a little cool. cool little walkway right here. You see the K gas station right there. So it's a little cool little walk though. I'm getting a little tired though. It's a cool little walk though. It's a cool little walk though. If you had your little dog, you walk your little dog. I see niggas running here though. It'd be like fucking. I can't wait to see if niggas is running here in December. Boy, I can't wait. I'd be tripped out if I see niggas running in 30-degree weather. Boy, I'd be so tripped out, boy. I'd be like, boy, ain't no damn way. Boy, ain't no way, boy. Boy, ain't no way. I'd be so tripped out. I'd be so tripped out if I see niggas walking down here, running down here, jogging down here. 30-degree weather, boy. Out here, though. I don't know if I could do any pulls out here, though. For real, though. Get you like a little Beamer, a little 2013 Beamer. Do some pulls out here. Do some little pulls. I don't know if them niggas right there gonna call the police on you, because there is a little community right there. But yeah. This shit look nice though. This shit look cool. Nice little walk. Nice little walk. Look at that old ass tree right there. I think that's a factory right there. I'm not too sure, but yeah. Yeah, we getting that walk in though. Ooh, what the fuck is that? What the fuck is that? They cut this grass. They cut that side of the grass though. Let me go over there. Not too many cars pass by here. Well, you could just like walk right back and forth. You need to cut this grass. Snakes in that grass probably. Fuck on. Oh, you need to turn. Yeah, this shit lit. This shit like a cool little vibe. Nice little walk. Who cut this grass? This grass looking a bit too cool. Man. Who cut this grass? They dang. Look at this clean ass, silk ass cut that they did with the grass, man. Who cut that grass? Look, they dang with this one. Nah. They did that little thing with this one. What them is? Poison ivy? Yeah. That's a nice little vibe though. That's a nice little walk though. 8-minute walk for no fucking reason. This shit's so cinematic though. I'm gonna make that be cinematic though. That shit looks so clear though. That shit looks so clean though. For real, look at that shit. I don't know how clean this is though. Hold on. The fact that I stopped parked in a perfectly good position is absolutely insane. But let me see if I can do it right here. This little patch of grass right here. Nigga, is this grass, nigga? Yeah, that's grass. I know that Play-Doh grass. Alright, let me see if I can get a thumbnail real quick. Hold on, thumbnail. This thumbnail ain't gonna make itself. What if I just laid in the grass and the car came, bro? That'd be so fucking funny, bro. That'd be so fucking funny, nigga. Oh my god. Nigga. That'd be so fucking funny, bro. Oh, is there a little walkway? Oh, I thought that was a little walkway that I could take. Right there. But yeah, this is the little cut that I wanted to show. For real. Oh yeah, they usually spark sunflower seeds right here. I haven't seen any. I probably gotta wait till they sprout up, but yeah, some sunflowers usually be here. But yeah, that's about it though. Damn, I almost used up like an hour and 46 minutes of this. So yeah, we still good though. If I wanted to vlog for like 20 minutes, I could. Damn, this shit been going on for like a minute. I thought they said this battery overheats. And we still got a good amount of battery for 15 minutes. This shit is actually pretty good. I fuck with it. I fuck with it though. But I'll meet y'all back, man. For real.